Scott's Wild Camper, the wild camping channel for the great outdoors. Hi folks, Scott's Wild Camper here. As you can see, it's a lovely day. I'm out with Stephen Cabana. There's Stephen ahead.
Right folks, lovely weather there.
We're at the Carron Valley Reservoir. I've never been before, Stephen's been a few times. We've got our hammocks. And I've got a bivvy bag as well. So we'll...
Time to camping as well.
Aye. Right, I need to climb over, put the camera away then do. Keen fishermen out in this weather. Be careful through the trees. There's Stephen down there. I'm going to try and get my hammock up between those two trees. Right, pouring the rain. I'll start getting ready. There's my tarp, 4.5 by 3 metres. Still pouring the rain, but maybe a tarp up. Yeah, perfect protection. Right, I'll show you my hammock. There you go, DD hammock. Is there any reason to get anything else? You know, I don't know anything about hammocks. I know you get more expensive ones, I suppose they are better, but certainly for starting out, I don't think the DD hammocks seem to be the best. Or the 10th Wonder, they get a good reputation as well. I don't know anything about hammocks, but I've heard the 10th Wonder. A lot of people say 10th Wonder are good. So there you go. Right, we'll go down and have a look at Stephen's. Stephen helped me, by the way, to get the tarp up a wee bit. I was a wee bit shorter. Rope and stuff, and obviously he's more experienced at this sort of stuff than me. So he gave us a good help. There's Stephen, so he knows what he's doing. He's got his own ideas. I was just saying that you helped me a bit up there, thanks very much. Aye. Right. That's ideal, yeah. This is a 4x4 tarp. Stephen's got. So what would you always take this solo, or would you 3x3 or just
3x3 in the summer, 3x3.
Right.
See where all this side is, you know what it's like, pouring them. It gives you a wee bit more space to kind of get the kit lying about. It gives you a lot of space to move about.
There's the weather. It's been like this almost all the time. Obviously I did stop for 5 minutes and been a wee bit lighter, but it's basically been torrential rain all day, or all morning. It's about 1:45 now. So it's probably been like this for, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. You see I'm my usual tidy self. I was listening back to some of the footage there, and there's a, I don't know what that noise is, obviously the noise of the rain, but in some of the shots there was like almost like a drilling noise. I don't know if that's just the water hitting the mic, although it's a waterproof camera, but it's just very heavy rain. It just sounded like a drilling noise, but if you're hearing it then nothing I can do about it. But anyway, I'm going to get something to eat. I've got real food for a change. Lawn sausages, you don't get them in England, square sausages. It's a pity because they're great. And in that container I've got pork steaks, a few pork steaks. So I'm going to have that now. I already had two, well me and Stephen had one each. I'll have another one. I'll save the pork steak things for later on. I had my sausages and I'm just going to have a cup of coffee. It's quite good so far. It's my first real sort of hammock hang. Just a pity the weather, although if I like this then I'm not really going to get any worse weather than this, certainly in terms of dampness and rain. So I'll get back to you later. I just came down to see what Stephen was up to. I could hear a lot of noise. That's why he's been busy. Aye. He's been busy getting the wood ready for a fire. And the rain bloody on again. A good exercise that, isn't it?
Sure it is, mate. Keeps you warm. Even beer. That saw is mint down there.
Oh, you like the Laplander saw? So that's in the wish list. That is good.
Cool.
So worth getting that.
Oh aye, definitely. So much.
I don't know why I don't know if it's just me or every time I sit on this, I've only been sat on it a couple of times, I just seem to want me to rock back and forward. I don't know if everybody does that or it's just me or what. I'm listening to the start of the English Premier League. Hope that sound and the cameras away. It must be to do with the water, torrential rain hitting the mic. That's the only reason that I can guess for that sort of sound there was. Still raining. Ah, yeah, one of those days. You can see. Absolutely chucking it down at us. me and Stephen went for a wee walk. The rain had stopped, but back on again.
I think you're attracting it.
Yeah. I think this could be my wettest trip yet actually. Just about, aye. Kilsyth was another wet one, but I think this is just constant torrential rain. Heavy, very heavy rain. A frog or a toad. Tiny, absolutely. It's going to get squashed. Just decided to walk back. We're heading towards Miko Bin, but the weather is just too much rain. We're walking back, get something to eat. I think we're going to sleep. Think we'll manage a fire in this? I don't know, I don't think so. What do you think?
Yeah, a good shot anyway.
We'll give it a shot.
Depends how long this stays on for, isn't it?
That's a bit 8 hours it's been raining so far, isn't it?
Aye. It's alright getting the fire going, it's stunning, isn't it? The rain. Getting soaked.
Yeah.
I don't fancy it.
Sod's law, we're nearly back at camp and the sun's coming out. It's really nice up here. Come back again. I hope the weather is a bit more agreeable. Hi folks, just went a wee walk. As you probably saw, you're watching this bit. I got my chops on. That's one thing I'm learning. You certainly eat more when you're in the woods, I think, because obviously it's no such a long hike. Well, this was a really short hike, but you know, I think the difference between sort of hammock, camping if you want to call it, and sort of tent up in the hills is you can carry more stuff and you've got more time. Well, I've got more time to cook, you know. I'm a wee bit lazy in the hills when it comes to cooking, but here I'm going to enjoy these chops in about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. Stephen's still processing wood. We'll try and get a fire going tonight. Right, I'm going to cook my chops and get stuck into them. Just put the camera on again, obviously, just to pose a question. Maybe this is the start of you know, Eddie's Wild Kitchen. How does that sound? Is it Scott's Wild Camper Wild Kitchen or Eddie's Wild Kitchen? Hi there, second helpings. Give Stephen a pork steak, well, one pork steak each, and got another one. Brought 3 everything. 4 would have been better. But the only carrying packets of 3. Thank God the rain's off. Looks like it's going to start again, but I don't think it'll be as heavy as it was. That's the heaviest rain I've seen for quite a while. Excellent. Well, it doesn't matter, that's the last of the spilled the oil, but that's everything away anyway, so it's good timing. I've got a boil in the bag meal left. Absolutely beautiful. Fantastic. If we get into this bringing up the old food, you know, I think it is probably, well, it is better than the Wayfarers and that, but just get into the habit of doing it, you know, like obviously Dave Murphy, he's the master of that. And he whack it. Banana, a can of Foster's, can you whack it?
I'll just stick to my coffee.
Get into your eyes, man, the ember. Yeah, I know, fucking want to get in your eyes.
What is about that? Half eight, and that's the rain stop.
I've enjoyed it, that's my first hammock hang. I've learned a lot about the hammock. Even set up is the right way, mine's I'll get that away in the last couple of days. I get it. Always keep sunset up.
It'll be good now that I've got a decent camera and I can actually film different things, because before it was like, do that for 5 minutes. Yeah, that's it. You know, you should take these shots and then doing something, and then doing the fire starting and all that good stuff. You know that.
Hi there. It's about 7:20. Doesn't it look like it's going to be like yesterday? Or yesterday morning and afternoon. Constant torrential rain. There's my view for inside my hammock. You might notice how low my hammock is. It was sinking literally. I was pretty much lying on the ground, so I'll need to sort that out. It wasn't like that when I first got in it, but I'll need to modify it. That was my first night. It's quite comfortable. Felt the cold air a wee bit more than being in a tent, but it wasn't uncomfortable. Again, you just need to, you know, wrap up, that's all. But yeah, I'll be doing this again. Right, I'm going to have a coffee and then, it's still early, but I think I'll start packing away slowly. Quite a beautiful morning. We're just going to start getting packed slowly and head back home. So this will be the last shot. Well, I enjoyed my first night in the hammock. Wasn't ideal, but I'll get it. Next time will be better.